After a lot of research and looking into the tech industry, I've found out which programming languages you should learn and for what purpose. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance your career, picking the right language can set you on the path to success. Let's explore the top languages you should consider in 2024. First up is Python. Known for its simplicity and readability, Python is perfect for beginners and experts alike. If you're interested in data science, machine learning, or web development, Python's extensive libraries like TensorFlow and Pandas are incredibly useful. With a vast community and abundant resources, Python provides a strong foundation for various tech fields. Next, let's talk about JavaScript. Essential for web development, JavaScript allows you to create dynamic and interactive websites. It's also powerful on the server side with Node.js, making it a versatile tool for both front-end and back-end development. Frameworks like React and Angular further enhance its capabilities, making it a must-learn for aspiring web developers. Java is a strong choice for those interested in enterprise solutions and Android app development. Its robustness and portability make it ideal for large-scale systems and mobile applications. Many large organizations rely on Java, so it's a valuable skill for enterprise-level development. C# is perfect for developing Windows applications and games using Unity. It combines modern programming features with a strong type system, making it ideal for both software and game development. If you're looking to build interactive games or work within the Microsoft ecosystem, C# is the way to go. Rust is a newer language focused on safety and performance. It's designed to prevent common bugs and manage memory efficiently, making it ideal for building reliable and fast systems. Rust's growing popularity in systems programming and its focus on safety make it a valuable skill for modern development. Lastly, Go or Golang. Developed by Google, Go is known for its simplicity and excellent concurrency support. It's great for building scalable cloud services and efficient software. Its clean syntax and performance make it an excellent choice for modern software development. Choosing the right programming language depends on your career goals and interests. Python for data science, JavaScript for web development, Java or C# for enterprise applications, and others for specialized fields. Find what excites you and start coding. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. Leave your questions or thoughts in the comments below.